I am Mr. Sandeep Dattatreya Kardile, M.Pharm Pharmaceutics, lecturer, Mola Rural Institute of Pharmacy, Sonai, and I am giving presentation on distillation part first. First of all, content, definition, applications, Raoult's law, general equipments for distillation, simple distillation, and flash distillation. First of all, definition. Distillation is an unit operation which involves separation of vaporizable component from a multi-component system and subsequent condensation of vapors. Distillation is a process of separating the component substances from a liquid mixture by selective evaporation and condensation. Distillation is defined as the separation of the components of a liquid mixture by a process involving vaporization and subsequent condensation at another place. Then applications of distillation: separation of volatile oils, for example clothes, eugenol. It comprises of 72 to 90% vanillin, acetyl, agenol. Then separation of drugs obtained from plant and animal sources like vitamin A from fish liver oil. Then purification of organic solvents like absolute alcohol 100%. Then purification of drugs obtained from chemical process. Then manufacture of official preparations like spirit of nitrous ether, spirit of ammonia, distilled water and water for injection. And quality control methods: alcohol content in elixir is 4 to 40%. And refining of petroleum products, petroleum ether 60 and 80. Then recovery of solvents by synthesis process. Some terminologies. First, binary mixture. When two liquids mix together, they may be miscible with each other in all proportion. Such a miscible liquid are known as binary mixtures of liquid. Example: ethanol plus water, then acetone plus water, benzene plus carbon tetrachloride. Ideal solution or perfect solution. Ideal solution is defined as the one in which there is no change in the properties of components other than dilution when they mix to form a solution. The real solution. Most system shows varying degree of deviation from Raoult's law depending on nature of liquids and temperature. This solution are known as real solution. Then vapor pressure. It is defined as the pressure exerted by a vapor in thermodynamic equilibrium with its condensed phases, solid or liquid, at a given temperature in a closed system. The equilibrium vapor pressure is an indication of a liquid's evaporation rate. Thermodynamic equilibrium. It is the systemic study of transformations of matter and energy in systems as they approach equilibrium. Then azeotropic mixture, constant boiling mixture. Mixture of special composition giving minimum or maximum boiling point than individual component with minimum or maximum boiling point respectively. Some examples: mixture with maximum boiling point, mixture containing 20.2 ml HCl plus 79.8 ml water. Then mixture with minimum boiling point, mixture containing 95.5 ml alcohol plus 4.5 ml of water. Raoult's law. It expresses a quantitative relationship between the concentration and vapor pressure. It states that partial vapor pressure of each volatile constituent is equal to vapor pressure of the pure constituent multiplied by its mole fraction in the solution at a given temperature. Suppose homogeneous mixture of liquid A and B. Partial vapor pressure of component A in the mixture is equal to Pa is equal to P degree A into XA. Mole fraction of A in solution is equal to XA. Vapor pressure of A in pure state is P degree A. Partial vapor pressure of a component B in mixture is equal to Pb is equal to P degree B into Xb. Mole fraction of B in solution is equal to Xb. Vapor pressure of A in pure state is P degree B. Total vapor pressure of mixture Pt is equal to Pa plus Pb. Pt is equal to P degree A into Xa plus P degree B into Xb. Then general equipment for distillation. For steel, it is a vaporizing chamber and used to press the material to be distilled. The steel is heated by a suitable means of vaporization of the volatile constituents. On laboratory scale, round bottom flasks made of glass are used so that the progress of the distillation can be noticed. A condenser is attached to the steel using appropriate joints. A trap is inserted between the distillation flask and condenser. Condenser, it is used to condense the vapor. It is kept cool by circulating water or air through jacket. Types: single surface condensers, it contains straight tube, bulb tube, spiral coil type. Double surface condensers, multi-tubular condensers. The condenser is connected to a receiver through a suitable adapter. These are the diagrams of condenser. Lebesgue, Ali, Graham, Demuth, Friedrichs. Then receiver, it is used to collect the distillate. It may be a simple flask. It immersed in ice bath to minimize loss of volatile matter. Florentine receivers are used for the separation of oil and water. Types of Florentine receivers: type 1 for separation of oil heavier than water, and type 2 for separation of oil lighter than water. These are the diagram Florentine receivers. Classification of distillation methods. First, simple distillation. It is also called as differential distillation. The flash distillation called as equilibrium distillation. Vacuum distillation, distillation under a reduced pressure. Molecular distillation, evaporation distillation or short path distillation. Then fractional distillation, it is also called as a rectification. Then azeotropic and extractive distillation, and steam distillation. Then destructive distillation and compressed distillation. First one, simple distillation. Simple distillation is a process of converting a single constituent from a liquid or a mixture into its vapor, transferring the vapor to another place and recovering the liquid by condensing the vapor, usually by allowing it to come in contact with a cold surface. This process is known as differential distillation, as distillation is based on the differences in volatilities and vapor pressures of the components in the mixture. Principle: liquid boils when its vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. Simple distillation is conducted at its boiling point. The higher the relative volatility of a liquid, the better is the separation by simple distillation. Heat is supplied to the liquid so that it boils. The resulting vapor is transferred to a different place and condensed. Construction. It consists of a distillation flask with a side arm sloping downwards. Condenser is fitted into the side arm by means of a cork. The condenser is usually a water condenser that is jacketed for circulation of water. The condenser is connected to a receiver flask using an adapter with ground glass joints. On laboratory scale, the whole apparatus is made of glass. This is the diagram of simple distillation process. Upper part thermometer, distillation flask, it contains liquid, then condenser, water. After converting into vapor, it will pass through condenser, then through adapter we can collect distilled water in receiver. Working. The liquid to be distilled is filled into the flask to 1/2 to 2/3 of its volume. Bumping is avoided by adding small pieces of porcelain dish before distillation. A thermometer is inserted in the cork and fixed to the flask. The thermometer bulb must be just below the level of the sidearm. Water is circulated through the jacket of the condenser. The contents are heated gradually. The liquid begins to boil after some time. The vapor begins to rise up and passes down the side arm into the condenser. The temperature rises rapidly and reaches a constant value. The temperature of the distillate is noted down, which is equal to the boiling point of the liquid. The vapor is condensed and collected into the receiver. The flame is adjusted so that the distillate is collected at the rate of 1 to 2 drops per second. Distillation should be continued until a small volume of liquid remains in the flask. Applications. For the preparation of distilled water and water for injection, then volatile and aromatic waters are prepared, organic solvents are purified, a few official compounds are prepared by distillation. Examples are spirit of nitrous ether and aromatic spirit of ammonia. Non-volatile solids are separated from volatile liquids. Second, flash distillation. Flash distillation is defined as a process in which the entire liquid mixture is suddenly vaporized, that is flash, by passing the feed from a high pressure zone to low pressure zone. Flash distillation is also known as equilibrium distillation, that is, separation is attempted when the liquid and vapor phases are in equilibrium. This method is frequently carried out as a continuous process and does not involve rectification. Principle. When a hot liquid mixture is allowed to enter from a high pressure zone into a low pressure zone, the entire liquid mixture is suddenly vaporized. The process is known as flash vaporization. During this process, the chamber gets cool. The individual vapor phase molecules of high boiling fraction get condensed, while low boiling fraction remains as a vapor. Construction. This is the construction of apparatus for flash distillation. It contains feed, pump, heater, pressure reducing valve, vapor separator, and then route to pass vapor to condenser. Working. The feed is bumped through a heater at a certain pressure. The liquid gets heated, which enters the vapor liquid separator through a pressure reducing valve. Due to the drop in pressure, the hot liquid flashes, which further enhances the vaporization process. The sudden vaporization induces cooling. The individual vapor phase molecules of high boiling fraction get condensed, while low boiling fraction remains as vapor. The mixture is allowed to a sufficient time so that vapor and liquid portions separate and achieve equilibrium. The vapor is separated through a pipe from above and liquid is collected from the bottom of the separator. By continuously feeding into the steel, it is possible to obtain continuous flash distillation. The operating conditions can be adjusted in such a way that the amount of feed exactly equals the amount of material removed. Therefore, vapor and liquid concentrations at any point remain constant in the unit. Uses: flash distillation is used for separating components which boil at widely different temperatures. It is widely used in petroleum industry for refining crude oil. Advantages: flash distillation is a continuous process. Disadvantages: it is not effective in separating components of comparable volatility. It is not an efficient distillation when a nearly pure components are required because the condensed vapor and a residual liquid are far from pure. Lastly, thank you.